Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is essential for human health, playing a crucial role in muscle function and fluid balance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as potassium, potassium, pu, te, si, potassium. It's generally safe and beneficial when consumed in appropriate amounts. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about potassium, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.